Hey, what's gonna guys, Robert here, and today I will be unboxing the iPad. This here is the 10th generation. I've was already used this iPad. Let's start the video. There's the sides of the box. We have iPad or return. iPad, which is the Wi-Fi model, 64 gigabytes in the blue color. It's something cool with this iPad. They have moved the front-facing camera in the landscape orientations. We're going to open the box and opening it up. Then see what does look like that. Look at this. We've iPad Apple logo. That is original. Put that aside. This is both iPad Apple logo sticker. I can see. Right there, designed by Apple in California. In here, we have iPad opening this up. That's what it looks like here. We have it in English. Welcome to the iPad. Shows us how to use it, how to wake it, all that cool stuff. The smart connector instructions, which is the iPad original charger. Here is iPad cable. I'm gonna open this. We have the 10th generation iPad. Let's take a look at the iPad. 10th generation in the blue color. This color looks very, very nice. Let's start the iPad. Okay, iPad is turning on. Honestly, there are so many things that I'm not really happy with this new iPad. I mean, it doesn't have any laminated glass. Here at the front, we've got the display, which right here has the front-facing camera. Wi-Fi is already on, haha. I ever know. I think this is much better if you're using your iPad in the landscape way. I mean, it's really weird that they still have non-laminated front display for this iPad. They're still selling the previous home button. Then, I'm gonna open the setting and it's gonna open the About section. Let's see. That is name, iPad OS version here, model name here, model number here, and serials number here. Suppose, if you try this, my serial number in the Apple site, then easy to see the iPad is pure original. Here on the right side, we have the volume. Power button here at the top of fingerprint scan. Ha ha. I'm sorry, that is Touch ID. I basically say that the nice-looking iPad. I like this blue color, but I'm gonna stick with the iPad Pro just because I want to keep that laminated glass, and I want to be able to use an Apple Pencil that's actually gonna be working with my device. But Apple doesn't provide the iPad Pencil. Then, I'm not happy. I think you would buy the iPad Pencil in the Apple Store. If you like this video, I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.